Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amar Afiq bin Muhammad Mazdan. Today I want to present about our project. Hello everyone. Today my team and I are excited to share our project and solving linear equation using matrix. We will be applying two methods. First, inverse matrix method, and second, Cramer rules to determine the cost of material for construction project. Okay, next, acknowledgement. Before we start, we want to thank our lecturer, Madam Irianti Linda binti Jolis, for her continuous guidance and support. We also appreciate the effort of every team member who worked hard on this assignment. Without teamwork, this would not have been possible. Okay, next is introduction. Mathematics is everywhere from engineering to business and even construction. In this project, we explore how matrix can help solve real-world problems, specifically calculating material costs from different suppliers. We will break down how we use inverse matrix methods and Cramer rules to get accurate result.
I will continue about the objective of this assignment. Our main goals for this assignment were to understand and apply matrix concept in real world situations. Also, we get to create a system of linear equation and represent it in metric form. Next, to solve this equation using inverse matrix method and Cramer rules. And last, to compare both methods and see which one works best. We continue to data collection. We base our calculations on material costs from three suppliers. Supplier A, we got RM 1962. In supplier B, we got RM 704. And the last supplier is supplier C. We got RM 561. Each supplier offers three types of materials: steel, wood, and plastic, at different price. Our job was to figure out the exact cost per unit for each material by using a matrix.
Now let's move on to solving the system using the inverse matrix method. This approach allows us to directly compute the values of x, y, and z by finding the inverse of matrix A. As before, we have the system of equation in matrix form, Ax equal to B. We have 30, 28, and 32. 22, 20 and 25, 15, 18, 16, x, y, z, 962, 704, 561. To find x, y, and z, we use the formula x equal to A inverse multiplied by B, where is the inverse of matrix A. Before finding, we first calculate the determinant of matrix A, which we denote as. After computing, we get A, determinant A is equal to negative 184. Since the determinant is non-zero, we can proceed to find the inverse of A. To compute the inverse, we first determine the adjoint of matrix A, which consists of the cofactors of each element. After solving, we get the adjoint matrix. Adjoint A, negative 130 and 128, 60, 23, 0, and negative 46, 96, negative 120, and negative 16. The inverse of matrix A is found using the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 determinant adjoint A. A inverse is equal to 1 multiply negative 184. Negative 130 and 128 and 60. 23 and 0 and negative 46. 96 and negative 120 and negative 60. Now we multiply with matrix B. X is equal to A inverse multiply B. After performing matrix multiplication, we obtain X equal to 7, Y is equal to 20 and Z is equal to 6. Now let's dive into the calculation using Cramer rules. We will determine the value of X, Y and Z step by step by computing determinants. As we know, a system of linear equation can be written in matrix form as Ax equal to B, where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the variable matrix and B is the constant matrix. In our case, we have 30, 28, 32, 22, 20, 25, 15, 18, 16 is equal to X, Y and Z. For the first column, 962, 704 and 561. To solve for X, Y and Z, we will use determinants. First, we calculate the determinant of matrix A, denoted as A0 by expanding along the first row. We get a determinant value of negative 184. Next, we substitute the constant column B into matrix A to form Ax, Ay and Az. Then compute their determinants. First, Ax replace first column with B. After computing, we get Ax is equal to negative 1288. Second, Ay replace second column with B. Solving the determinant give us Ay equal to negative 3,680. 3. Az replace third column with B. For Az, we get negative 1104. Now we calculate X, Y and Z using the formula. X equal to Ax per annual. A0 is equal to 7. Y Ay per A0 and we got 20. And lastly, for Z, Az per A0 is equal to 6. So the value of X, Y and Z are 7, 20 and 6 respectively.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirul Amin bin Ahmad and I will continue our presentation for conclusion and closing. Through this assignment, we have gained a deeper understanding of how matrix, especially the inverse matrix method and Cramer rules method, can be applied to real-world problems by analyzing material costs using this method. We are able to compare this effectiveness and understand the practical application, particularly in fields like engineering and business. Beyond mathematics, this project has also improved our problem solving, analytical and teamwork skills, which are crucial for both academic and professional growth. We also learned that while both methods provide the same result, The inverse matrix method is more efficient for larger system, whereas Cramer rule system is simpler for smaller calculation. For overall, this has been a valuable and insightful experience for us. We hope our presentation has given you a clearer understanding and how matrix work in real life situation. If you have any question or truth to share, we be happy to discuss them. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you.